CTIA Online offers you flexibility to study online in your own time. So whether you are looking at gaining a qualification whilst already working or changing fields whilst working and studying, we have different offerings to suit your needs. We offer a variety of culinary, pastry, food and beverage, and advanced management programs. Full details of all the modules to be studied can be found on our website. CTIA offers both national and international qualifications, which are accredited with City and Guilds of London, Highfield, QCTO, and BHMS. This means that our qualifications are recognized both locally in South Africa and internationally, giving you the opportunity to work abroad should you wish. Our program is hosted through our online platform, and you are given access to the platform, which contains all the theoretical and practical modules for your specific course, along with the course material, the recipe books, demonstration videos, which guide you through the cooking of each and every dish. This is a facilitated course with weekly practical and theory test submissions as per the schedule. We have weekly sessions online where you're given guidance and support, and this will give you all the tools you need for the week ahead. The sessions are recorded, so if you are unable to attend, you can always catch up later. You will be expected to spend about 8 to 10 hours weekly on your practical submissions and about 3 hours on the theory modules, which include the quizzes and the tests. And of course, that's not always the most exciting part, but it is essential to have a good theory foundation. You will be receiving the same qualification as our full-time and our part-time students. The mode of course delivery is just different as you're completing everything online. Lastly, I also want to mention to you that our super friendly career consultants can also offer you additional guidance with regards to your choice of course. So if you're looking to kickstart your culinary career, but you need flexibility whilst you study, CTIA offers great opportunities for you to study online. Enroll for your online studies today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you online.